my vlog now.
Yeah. What's up, guys? I'm taking over the vlog of American in the Philippines.
What are we gonna eat today?
So we're gonna eat McDo and Jollibee.
Okay.
Comparing two of the most popular food chains in the Philippines.
Nice. All right. What do you?
I'm doing the intro.
What's up, guys? This is American in the Philippines. I took my channel back, so now I'm going to try the Filipino food. We have Jollibee and McDonald's, or they call McDo here in the Philippines. So we tried to get most of the most common popular items. We got the spaghetti, we got the chicken, fries, burger steak, and their pie. So let's get started. I'm gonna close them up so hopefully they don't get too cold. We actually went to walk to go get these. So if you hear a fan in the background, that's why, because it's very hot here in the summer. So let's start with fried chicken. You don't get this at McDonald's in the Philippines, or in America. They don't have fried chicken. It looks classic fried chicken. Smells really good. Smells just like a McDonald's fried chicken sandwich. Seems very tender. It even comes with a little like brown gravy. Let's dip it in the gravy and give it a shot. There's classic fried chicken. Garlic, onion, pepper. It's all there. It's nice and crispy still, even though we walked probably 20 minutes back with it. Comes with a little, it looks like a burger, but it's actually just rice. Like a little ball of rice inside, which I guess we'll eat later. I'm not gonna try the rice. It tastes like rice, so there's no real thing there. Let's go next door. They didn't have the spicy at McDonald's, but we got the spicy at Jollibee. So this is the Jollibee one. They both gave us wings, which these are giant wings. This one is, wow, I ate a little bit of that crust right there. It's very spicy. This one smells more like oily, but you can taste the spice. This one also comes with gravy. Let's try the gravy. I wonder if we try the gravy side by side, what they taste like. Let's see, let me get a spoon. So this is the Jollibee gravy. Classic mom's beef gravy. The McDonald's is less thick and also lighter. Flavor is also lighter. Jollibee gravy is much better, like a 9 out of 10. McDonald's gravy is like just a watered down version of the same thing. So let's try the Jollibee. Even comes with a nice cute little spicy flag. We tried the McDo with the gravy. We'll try the Jollibee with the gravy. Less crispy. Like I would say the breading is definitely different. The consistency, whatever flour they use might be different. The spiciness is good, which they didn't have at McDonald's. I'm a little sad about, but that's something you get used to here in the Philippines. Is if you order 3 things, one of them is going to be not in stock. My friend Leah always says to, she always asks, what are they out of first? That's probably a good idea, because a lot of times they're just out of random things. So between these two, I'd say the McDonald's chicken is more traditional, but the Jollibee chicken is maybe a little juicier. I might prefer the McDonald's chicken just because it's more like American style that I'm used to. But the gravy at Jollibee is way, 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 way better. Next, since I've already got them open here, let's try the burger steak. So it's just like in America we'd call this like a Salisbury steak. There's like mushrooms, a hamburger patty, and then covered in gravy. At McDonald's, it comes like in a bowl with rice, kind of like as a whole little meal. Let's dip in here. We'll do Jollibee first this time. We'll get a little piece of the mushroom in there. I would say the patty looks bigger at McDonald's. The prices were very similar. I think it was maybe 10 pesos more expensive at McDonald's. So it's about 340 pesos total for a spaghetti, a chicken meal, a burger steak meal, a hamburger, fries, and a pie. So for 6 items, it was roughly a little less than $6. So this is our Jollibee burger steak. Kind of dissolves instantly. Like, it tastes like a school lunchroom food. Like you had Salisbury steak in school in America. It's like that. Very processed, kind of sweet for some reason. It's good. I don't know if I would order it. Let's try the McDonald's and see how that compares next to it. It's definitely thicker. It looks more like a sausage patty, to tell you the truth. Let's get a mushroom on there so we have a fair comparison. Much more substantial. You even said you like the McDonald's burger steak better, right? Yeah. Yeah, even Daisy liked the burger steak better. So it is bigger. It tastes more like beef. It tastes more like onions too, which is nice. Yeah. It's thicker. It's bigger. Super nice. So I'm gonna set these aside so we can finish those. Actually eat lunch after this video. There we go. So that one we're giving to McDonald's. I think the chicken was kind of it depends on if you like, you know, a more garlicky chicken or you like a more, you know, straight chicken flavored chicken. Jollibee is more traditional like chicken, and then McDonald's is more like herby. Let's go spaghetti next. I'll show you them side by side. I would say kind of similar looking. This is Jollibee, McDonald's, Jollibee. Both similar portions. They feel about the same in weight. Let's go with McDonald's first this time. Yeah, McDonald's. The Filipino spaghetti comes with hot dogs, a weird fake cheese that doesn't melt, and sugar. So it's definitely not American style. Got a little bit of everything in there. Yeah, it tastes like you try to make a candy out of spaghetti for some reason. It's okay if you like Filipino style spaghetti. Jollibee is supposed to be the classic. Let's get in there and try that one just to compare. I would say the McDonald's is like for me, maybe a 6 out of 10. Nice little bite of Jollibee. Wow, the Jollibee spaghetti is much better. That's like an 8 out of 10. Less sweet. The hot dog tastes more substantial. The noodles taste better. The sauce is better. So burger steak goes to McDonald's. Spaghetti goes to Jollibee for sure. I've just got a few more items. Let's do fries. That's nice and easy. McDonald's. I'm used to these from America. We'll do no ketchup, so it's a fair comparison. They're McDonald's fries. Salty. They're a little not fresh because, again, we walked back with them. Let's compare. They look almost identical, though. I mean, basically the same thing. Let's try Jollibee. That's the same thing. It's the exact same thing. I can't tell a difference. maybe someone out there has a better palate than me. I'm gonna try one more just to see if I can tell. Maybe the Jollibee's a little better for some reason. I don't know if they put anything on it. I think it's just potatoes. The McDonald's fry tastes a little flat tasting, and this one has a little more full, sweeter. So I guess I would say this is like a 6 and this is like a 7. So Jollibee takes the fries. We got pie and burger. We'll do the Jollibee Yum Burger. We got classic, no cheese. Very like just a patty. And Jollibee has a special sauce. I describe it as kind of like tartar sauce flavor. It's supposed to be like ketchup and mayonnaise, but it's kind of like sour as well. We'll give it one bite. Kind of sweet from the sauce. Even the bread is a little sweet. Not a big meaty flavor to it, but it's a solid burger. The McDonald's, this is the classic burger feel of McDonald's. They all feel like, it's like very like dense. Same sauce, same looking sauce, but like 3 times as much at McDonald's. Even a tiny little burger on here. These were only 40 pesos. Less sweet. The bread is classic McDonald's bread. I think the patty, yeah, the patty here is much, I don't know if you can tell the thickness of the meat. I don't know if you can see that on video, but this one is much thicker. Same thing we have with the burger steak. I don't know if their burger steak is just the same patties, but now on a bun. But much beefier, much thicker, tastes more like a burger that I'm used to. It would be nice to have some onions on here or some mustard. In fact, I have some mustard. I might put that on after this. But I would say McDonald's takes the burger. So right now I think we're pretty even. We're down to desserts. McDonald's has apple pie. Jollibee has peach mango pie. Sometimes they have other pies. They had an ube pie that I wanted to try, but they were always out. They're always out of the thing I want to try for some reason, but let's see, we'll go with the apple pie first, so I'm used to that one. Nice fat little apple pie.
Compare the size.
Oh yeah, compare the size, that's a good idea. Oh wow. Like, much, you can tell, much different. So apple pie, peach mango pie from Jollibee. Let's do the apple pie. Lots of full of apple inside. Cinnamon. Sweet. Very like thick consistency, very full. There's no air pockets in here. The crust is nice. Very crunchy. Yeah, this is a great apple pie. This is like a 8.5 out of 10. We'll try the Jollibee now with the peach mango. Peach mango inside. Much more flavorful, honestly. Maybe that's just because mangoes and peaches have more flavor than apples. I'm gonna have to give this one to Jollibee. Just like at first bite, like this one just like explodes in your mouth. There's so much flavor here. It's smaller. They're basically the same price. They're 40 pesos as well for these, which is about 65 cents. And you can buy a 4-pack, I think, for 200 pesos. So then it's about, no, maybe a 6-pack. I forget. It becomes slightly cheaper if you buy more. So yeah, pie goes to Jollibee. So let's do the breakdown really fast. Overall, both good. I think Jollibee wins overall. So Jollibee takes the pie. McDonald's takes the burger. Jollibee takes the fry. McDonald's takes the burger steak. Jollibee takes the spaghetti. And I'm gonna say, for me, McDonald's takes the chicken, which makes it 3 and 3, but it's really just down to opinion. They're both very good chicken. So maybe I'm gonna give it to Jollibee just because their gravy is better. So I'm gonna give this one a slight push to Jollibee. I guess we'll call gravy a separate category. So I'll give the chicken to McDonald's for 3 and 3, but the tiebreaker is the gravy, and the gravy at Jollibee is just so much better. So spaghetti, fries, gravy, mango pie at Jollibee, burger steak, and chicken at McDonald's. So that's my opinion, guys, from an American in the Philippines. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any other video ideas, let me know down in the comments. We'll see you later. Bye.